Is if you're dealing with an issue similar to this, pool water coming out from your furnace, maybe making its way to your carpet in the basement or wherever, what room, upstairs, more than likely the reason your furnace or HVAC assembly has a clogged coil drain pan. So there's your coils. That's what it's nice and chilly from the condenser outside and the compressor. This little doodad here, more than likely, is what's causing is your culprit. This will fill with water, and then it will overflow to prevent it from getting in the ductwork and just dump all over your unit, down the unit, and under the floor. So, using some compressed air, cutting it, and cleaning it out, or just replacing it all together, so that way it drains nice and well to your drain. It's probably the best deal. Mine had some pretty nasty scale and dirt, dust buildup from inside. So hopefully that helps you.